Hello friend, today we learn about different endocrine glands and their hormones. First, the pituitary gland, which is present hypophyseal fossa of sphenoid bone. The hormones which are secreted by the anterior pituitary are the growth hormone, which stimulates the growth and cell regeneration. Next, the thyroid stimulating hormone. It stimulates the thyroid gland. And the adrenocorticotropic hormone or ACTH, which stimulates the adrenal gland. Next, the follicle stimulating hormone or FSH, which affects the ovaries and testicles. Next, the luteinizing hormone or LH stimulates the ovulation in women and testosterone production in men. And next, the prolactin hormone or PRL, which stimulates the milk production in women. The hormones stored and released by the posterior pituitary are oxytocin, antidiuretic hormone, or vasopressin. In case of oxytocin, it involved in positive feedback loops such as uterine contraction during labor, and ADH or vasopressin helps in the body retain water and regulates fluid balance. Next, thyroid gland, which is present in the neck. The thyroid gland secretes three primary hormones: thyroxine or T4, triiodothyronine or T3, and calcitonin. T3 and T4 regulate metabolism, growth, and other bodily functions, while calcitonin helps regulate calcium and phosphate level in the blood. Next is the parathyroid gland, which is embedded in thyroid gland. Parathyroid gland secretes parathyroid hormone or PTH, also known as parathormone, which is a polypeptide hormone essential for regulating the levels of calcium and phosphate in the blood and body fluids. PTH increases the blood calcium by acting on bones, the intestine, and the kidneys. Next, the adrenal gland, which is present on the kidneys. The adrenal gland secretes a variety of hormones, including the fight or flight hormones, epinephrine and norepinephrine, from the medulla, and steroid hormone like cortisol, aldosterone, and androgen from the cortex. This hormone regulate the functions such as the metabolism, blood pressure, stress response, and water and salt balance. From the adrenal cortex, the hormone which is secreted cortisol, which is regulates the blood sugar metabolism and acts as an anti-inflammatory. Aldosterone, which regulates the salt and water balance, which helps maintain blood pressure. Androgen, which is precursors to sex hormones like testosterone and estrogen. And from the adrenal medulla, epinephrine or adrenaline and norepinephrine or noradrenaline trigger the fight or flight response, increasing the heart rate and blood pressure. Next is the pancreas, which is present epigastric and left hypochondriac region. Pancreas secretes several hormones, mainly insulin and glucagon, which work together to regulate the blood glucose levels. Insulin lowers the blood sugar while glucagon raises it. The pancreas also secretes the somatostatin, which regulates the release of insulin and glucagon, and the pancreatic polypeptide, which regulates the pancreatic secretions. Insulin released by beta cells. Insulin helps lower blood glucose by promoting the uptake of glucose into cells for the energy or storage as glycogen. Glucagon released by alpha cells. Glucagon raises blood glucose by stimulating the liver to convert stored glycogen back into glucose. Somatostatin secreted by delta cells. Somatostatin inhibits the release of both insulin and glucagon. And pancreatic polypeptide, this hormone is secreted by PP or F cells and helps to regulate the pancreas' own endocrine and exocrine functions. Next, the testes, which is male organ. The testes primarily secrete the male sex hormone testosterone, which is crucial for developing and maintaining male reproductive tissues and secondary sexual characteristics. They also produce other hormones, including anti-Mullerian hormone, estradiol, and progesterone, and can secrete oxytocin. Testosterone, the main male sex hormone responsible for male reproductive tissue development. Secondary sexual characteristics like a deeper voice and body hair, muscle and bone mass and sperm production. And inhibin B, a protein hormone that helps regulate sperm production. Anti-Mullerian hormone or AMH plays a vital role in the development of male reproductive organs during fetal development. Estradiol, a type of estrogen that is important for sperm production, and progesterone, while primarily associated with females, progesterone is also produced by the testes in males. Oxytocin, a hormone that can be secreted by the testes along with other tissues. Ovaries, which is present in pelvic cavity. The ovaries secrete the primary female sex hormones, estrogen and progesterone, which are vital for the development of female sexual characteristics, the menstrual cycle, and pregnancy. Other hormones secreted by the ovaries include inhibin, which regulates FSH production, and relaxin, which helps relax muscles and ligaments during pregnancy. The ovaries also produce a small amount of androgens such as testosterone. The functions of estrogen is the development of secondary sexual characteristics like breast growth and body hair, thickening of the uterine lining, endometrium and bone health, and production from the granulosa cells in developing ovarian follicles. And progesterone that prepares the uterus for potential pregnancy by thickening the endometrium and making it receptive to implantation, prepares breast for milk production, and production from the corpus luteum, and which is the structure left behind after an egg is released. Next gland is pineal gland, which is present behind the sternum. The primary hormone produced by the pineal gland is melatonin, which regulates the body sleep-wake cycle or circadian rhythm. The gland also produces small amount of serotonin, a precursor to melatonin, and potentially other neurosteroids. Melatonin, known as the hormone of darkness, its production is stimulated by darkness and inhibited by light, regulates the circadian rhythm, helping to control sleep pattern, and possesses the antioxidant properties and may play a role in seasonal physiology and cardiovascular health. In case of serotonin, the pineal gland is a source of serotonin. Serotonin serves as a precursor for melatonin synthesis. Next is the thymus gland, which is present behind the sternum. The main hormone produced by the thymus gland is thymosin, which is crucial for the development of T cells. Other hormones, including thymopoietin, thymolin, and thymic humoral factor. These hormones help make T cells and maintain the immune system's proper function. Thymosin is the primary hormone. It stimulates the production and maturation of T cells, a type of white blood cell vital for fighting with infections.